Find the probability of getting find the probability of getting a head. It is saying we have to probability, okay, of getting a head when a cone is tossed. You are clear that simple space would be a simple space of a coin would be what? Uh, head and tail. Head and tail. Yes, simple space. Now, probability of getting a head. We want what? A head. So h upon only one a head. One upon how much? Simple space 1 2 1 2. So we got a what? Probability which is 0.5. 0.5 is coming between 0 and 1. So it is a 50% chance that one head will come when a cone will be tossed. When a coin will be tossed, then this will be probability of getting a head when a cone will be tossed. Simple space, total space of a coin. So total space of a coin would be head and tail. Only two space. Now next, this is the computation. Clear? This is what complication. We have to find sample space of a dice. As you know, in a single throw of a dice, we have to find the probability of getting a number. This is a, this is one, that is one. When a dice is thrown only one time, then sample space of a dice would be what? Sample space of a dice would be how much? You can say 1 2 3 4 5 6. How much outcomes of number of outcomes of a dice would be how much? 6. Would be 6 total outcomes of a dice would be 6. So total sample space of a dice would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, let's start from 1. Greater than 2. So greater than 2 is what? From here to till here. 3 4 5 6. How much? So probability of this would be how much? We want 1 2 3 4 4 upon 6. This is what we want, and this is what total outcomes. So 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6. If denominator number is greater than numerator, So of course number will come between 0 and a number which will come between 0 and 1. 2 upon 3 after dividing 2 by 3, so you will get 0 point what 8 like this. Yes, this is a probability of discussion. Next is what second. Now here less than or equal to 2, so we will take this because of equal to 2 and less than this. So how much? 2 upon 6, 1 upon 3. So probability will be 1 upon 3. This is answer for second question. Third, answer third. It is saying not greater than 2, not greater than 2. So we will not take this 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't want greater than 2. We want what? 2 and 1. So how much? 2. So 2 and 1, not this, only 2 and this. So how much? 2 upon 6. Again we will get probability which is how much? 1 upon 3. You will get what? A denominator number is greater than denominator. That's why you will get a number which will be between 0 and 1. After dividing 1 by 3, you will get what? 0.333 like this. Now next question. This is comfort question. Before this, we will have to understand from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, there are total how much cards? 52 cards. One card is thrown. One card is thrown. Find the probability that the card drawn will be a face card. So, can we say that probability of this would be how much? 50. So here be a face card. Face card is how much? So in 52 cards there are 12 face cards. How much? 12 face cards. So 2 6 and 2 2 so yes 113. So we got 1 upon 13. This is the probability of this fusion. So 12 are face cards in 22 cards. In 22 cards. 20 are black cards, 20 are black cards, 20 are red cards. 20 are black cards in 52 cards, 20 are red cards in 52 cards. In which here you can see 2 6 are okay, and here 3 2s are. So this is 3. Now in this case, what will happen? Except a face card in 52 cards, what will we get? So 52 minus 12, 0, 40. So 40 are without face card, without face. So probability would be 40 upon 52. So 22 is a, and here 26 is a, 10 is a, 32 is a. So finally we got a P as a 10 upon 30. This is the probability of this. Clear? So remember, 20 are black cards in 52 cards and 20 are red cards in 52 cards. 4 cards of A will be in 52 cards, and there are 12 cards which are face cards, okay, which are face cards. Without face card there are 40 cards in 52 cards. Now next, this is another question. You can read this. What is it asking? In a badminton match, there is a match of badminton uh, between Rajesh and Joseph. The probability of winning of Rajesh is 0.58. So probability is given already of winning of Rajesh. Find the probability of this, not winning of Rajesh. Not winning of Rajesh. If a probability is what? As we know, this is a probability plus this will happen, this will not happen. Yes, probability of happening, probability of not happening. We draw what a bar is 1. So we know this 0.58. This is for this, okay. 0 point, and we don't know this. That's why. What is the probability of not winning of Rajesh? That is what we are finding. 1 minus 0.58. From this we will get what? Probability of not happening 0.48, not 42. So this is probability of not happening, not winning of Rajesh. In this, answer would be winning of Joseph. Winning of Joseph. So here of course 0.4 is the probability of winning of Joseph. So you would say that if this is probability of winning of Rajesh, so you would say probability of winning of this would be what? 1 minus 0.58. Yes, you will get 4, 2. So this is the probability of winning of Joseph. That is how you will solve. Next question. Next question is this question. In a single throw of a dice. A dice is a throw only one time. Find the probability of getting 7. 7. So here 7 will not come because 7 is not a number in dice. That's why you would say 0. Probability will be 0 because 7 will not come when a dice will be thrown there. Okay, even you can find the simplest space of a dice. Okay, dice would be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see there is no number of a 7. That's why. So impossible event you can write. Impossible possible event. Clear? Because it will not come. 7 will not come. That's why. And for this, a number less than 0. A number less than 0. So less than 7. So less than 7 is what? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How much numbers? 6 upon 6. We will got what? 1. So all this will come there. Probability is how much? Probability is how much? 1 of getting this numbers. So here you can say sure event. Sure event. Because of 0 will not come when a dice will be thrown, 1 will come, these numbers will come, that is a 100% chance. Now next question. This is computation. It is saying that let's start from this. Uh, answer of 1. Answer of 1 would be what? Be a probability of a black card in 52 cards. So how much are numbers of black cards in a 52 card? You would say 10, 20. So probability of being black cards would be how much? 20 upon 54. 10 to the 27 to the. Yes. What else? Nothing. Clear? So here number of black cards including face card will be how much? 26. 26. That's why 13 to the and 27. 13,000. And so here that's it, 13 upon 27. So it is a 52. It is how much? 52. So 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. So probability would be how much? 1 upon 2. Clear? Now next. Not be a red card. Answer to not be a red card. How much? 26. I think 26, including face card. So probability would be 26 upon 52. Again, probability will be how much? Our probability would be how much? 1 upon 2. Now, next, answer third. Answer third. Here, be a red card. So, of course, the same. Probability would be how much? 26. There are number of 26 cards of a red card in 52 upon 52. Again, probability would be how much? 1 upon 2. Answer of fourth question, be a face card. Be a face card. So 6, 6, 12. 12. There are 12 face cards in 52 cards. So 12 upon 52. 3 4s and I think 2 6. Okay, 2 6 and here 26 2 3 2 6 and here 32 6 2 12 26 2 okay 3 2 6 32. So probability came as a 3 upon 30. 3 upon 30. Answer of a fifth question. Answer of a fifth question. Be a face card. Be a face card of a red color. Be a face card. Only face card of red color. So only 6. 6 upon 6 upon 52. 3 2 is 6, 27. Not 27, 26. So 3 1 is 3, 6. Only 3 upon 26. So you can say 3 upon 26 is the probability of this. So finally answers are correct. Answers are correct. Now next question. Next question, okay. this is computer question. Question is asking find the probability of for this word. Here, a single letter is selected at random from the word. This is how much P R O B A B I L I T Y. Find the probability that it is a vowel. That it is a vowel. If it is a vowel, then so vowel is this one, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So there are four vowels. There are four vowels in this word. So finally we can say probability of a vowel would be how much? 4 upon. So simple space of this word is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So here 11 is the greater, which is the denominator. So this is a 5. This is the probability of a vowel. After dividing 4 by 11, you will get 0 point something something. Now next question. This is completed question. Now let's start from that. Before that, you find what simple space of a dash. As you know, 1, 2 simple space. Yes, simple space would be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Now here answer of first would be how much? Would be how much? Less than 3. So less than 3 is what? This and this. There are 2. So probability of less than 3 would be 2 upon 6. So probability came as a 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Now next answer of second question. Answer of second question. Greater than or equal to 4. This is equal to 4. Greater than 4 is what? 1, 2. So there are 3 numbers. So probability of greater than or equal to 4 would be how much? 3. 3 upon how much? 6. 1 upon 2. Now next, this is probability which will come in decimal 0.5. 0.5, yes. Answer of a third question. Now here less than 8. Less than 8, there are 6 numbers only. So probability of getting less than 8 6 upon 6. 7 will not come because 7 is not in a simple space of a dice. So 1 is a what? It is saying that this is sure event. Clear? So that's how we found probability of each question. One less than. And what about this? So greater than 6. Greater than 6. There are 5 numbers. There are how much? 5 numbers. 5 upon 6. This is the probability of this question. Now next question. Question is asking, a book contains how many pages? 85 pages. A page is chosen at random. What is the probability that the sum of the digits on the page is 8? Is 8. Is 8. How much? 8. So simple space of this would be what? Simple space. When we will take 2 digits of a number which will come 0 between 85, so sum of those digits should be 8. So that will be simple space. For example, 08. 08 is a number and there are 2 digits. 0 is one digit, 8 is another digit, and sum of both digits will give us how much? 8. So that number we will take as a simple space. Now next 178 and 20 is coming between 0 and 85. 268. 26 is a number which is coming between 0 and 85. Now 35, yes, 358, it is also coming between 0 and 85. 44, 3, hold on, 44, 35, but hold on, 53, and 62, yes, 71, what else? 80. So these are numbers that will come between 0 and 85, and each number, sum of each number is giving 8. That's why we have chosen this between 0 and 85. Now probability of this getting a number in which we are getting what sum of a digit of a number is coming 8. So there are how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 upon 85. 8, 5, I think 30. So this is the probability for this question. Next question. This is complete question. Look at this. Look at this. Let's start from one question. Answer of one question. Jack or queen. How much are numbers of a jack in 52 cards? So you would say there are four jack. There are four jack. There are four queen. There are four egg. There are four king. There are four king. Okay. So number of egg are 4 in 52 cards. Number of queen cards are 4 in 52 cards. Number of jack cards are 4 in 52 cards. Okay. Number of a red or a king. So when it comes to a red, the number of red would be how much? I think 26. Yes. Now here, jack 4 and 4. How much? 8. 8. 8 upon 52. 52. 4 to the and 26 to the 2 to the 4, 32. So it is 2 upon 30. Clear? Now, what about this? Number of एक in 52 cards are four, four, four king cards. So it is a 8 upon 52. Same 2 upon 13. Probability of this is 2 upon 13. Now in this what is happening? A red and A king. Only a card of a red color. A card of a red color and a king. So of course probability would be what? 2 upon 52. 26. 1 upon 26. Clear? Now next. A red or a king. The same question. Question is the same. Next question is this is complete question. So question is asking a pair of paired dice is thrown. A pair of paired dice. Pair. So pair means two dice. Okay, two dice. A pair of dice is thrown. Find the probability of getting a number. A sum of 10. A sum of 10 or more if 5 appears on the first device. On the first dice. So can we say sum of 5, 5. This is 5 of one device. This is 5 of another dice. So sum of this and this will get how much? 10. That's why we will take this. And next, if 5 appears, more you can take. If 5 appears on the first device, on the first dice, okay, on the first dice. So you can take 5 upon 2, 5 comma 2, okay. This 5 is for one dice, this 2 is of another dice. So there are 2. This is getting sum of 10, and this is what first is appearing on the first dice. That's it. So probability of this question would be 2 upon how much? I think 36. 36. 180. 180. 1 upon 80. This is the final answer. This is computation. It is saying if the probability of occurrence of an event is p, how much? Probability. So probability is what? P. This is probability. Then the probability of non-happening of this event is how much? So if it is a probability which is given of occurrence of an event is this. When we will subtract this 1 minus p, we will get what? Of not happening. We will get what? Probability of none happening. Clear? None happening. When we will subtract given probability minus from 1. So answer would be this. We have given what? Probability, and it is asking this is happening. This is probability of happening, and you have to tell probability of non happening. If probability of happening is this, okay. So we will subtract 1. We will subtract this happening probability from 1. We will get what? Probability of non happening. Now next, question. It is saying what is the probability? What is the probability of a shear event? As we know, probability of a shear event, it is always how much? 1. Of impossible will be 0. So answer would be this. This would be answer. So 0 is for non possible. 0 is for impossible. Now next question. So here, from this question, you have to tell which of the following question cannot be probability of an event. If any number is greater than 1, a number should not be greater than 1 and should not be less than 0. So that number will be probability of an event. 1.5 is a greater than 1. 3 upon 5 in which your denominator number is a greater than numerator. That's why this will be less than 1. 25% is a probability. Yes. 2.3 is between 0 and 1. So this is a greater than 1. That's why A is the answer. It is not a probability of an event. Okay, of an event. Now next question. Next question is a number is so read this question carefully. A number is selected. Okay, a number is selected at random from the numbers between 1 to 30. What is the probability that selected number is a prime number? is a prime number. So we will find probability of a prime number which will be between 1 to 30. So you can say several prime number, okay, prime number between 1 to 30, 1 to 30. So here 2 is a prime number. Now next 3 would be, because it does not come in any table except 3, that's why. 4 comes in the table of 2. So 5 no, 5 does not come in any table except 5. So 6 comes in the table of 2 and 3. 7 no. 8 yes in the table of 2. 9 yes in the table of 3. 10 yes. What else? 11. 12 no. 13 yes. 14 no. 15 no. 16 no. 17 yes. 18 no. 19 yes. 20 no. 21 no. 22 no. 23 what else? 24 25 26 27 28 29. So these are prime numbers. 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So probability of these prime numbers will be how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 upon 30. So finally probability came 1 upon 3. Where is 1 upon 3? Yes. So this will be answer. So this is how prime numbers are found between two numbers. Now next, this is complete question, and that is the same. The probability that a number selected at random from the numbers this between 0 and 50. If a number is a multiple of 4, for example, multiple from the numbers this. So I think two fours are okay. Two twos are. So 2 is 3 fours are yes. 4 threes are yes. 5. What I am saying. is a multiple of 4. Here uh, favor outcomes would be what of this so 4 8 12. How 4 ones are 4. Here 2 does not come in the table of a 4, 3 does not come in the table of a 4, 4 comes in the table of a 4, 5 does not come. So that number which will come in the table of a 4. So 4 8 12, these are numbers which are between 0 and 15. These numbers will come in the table of a 4. That's all. So there are three numbers. So probability would be how much? 3 upon 15. 3 5s are. So here 1 upon 5. Probability you will get 0.5. 0.5, which is between 0 and 1. So finally answer would be this. This is answer. That's all.